Just lit the fire for the pussycats. We've got a lovely little car, well, a van seat to sit on here. A couple other seats as well. Yeah, the pipe's going to be glowing very soon. Yeah. I just thought it's been a while. It's not cold, but it's wet. You know, it's nice to sit in front of a fire when it's wet and windy, isn't it? Just about to go and light the smoker up. I can I smell dead something? There's not something in that fucking chimney, I hope, is there? Yeah, I'm smelling something. It's not good. Eh? Don't say rats are living in the fucking chimney. That wouldn't be too clever for them now, would it?